Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to use Google Postmaster Tools for domain and email reputation management. Here you can see I am on the link postmaster.google.com. So here I have added a domain. So you can add new domain from here. For example, my domain is and add this txt record to the registrar. After the verification, you will have more option to use this. As you can see, my domain is added and verified. Let's check this. Click on the domain. So you can see now Google Postmaster is gathering the data. But what can I check here? I can check the spam rate. What is the spam rate of my domain, IP reputation, and domain reputation? Here you can see. Now still it's gathering the data. So there's a simple process where I can check the spam score and IP reputation and domain reputation and other email delivery errors here with postmaster.google.com. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.